Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to switch the skID reader profile from the default easy2read to the HID profile. First, go on our website www.caenrfid.com. Click on the support button and then on software and firmware. In the search bar, write skID R1280i configuration tool and click on the download button. I have already downloaded this folder on my desktop and we will use this later. Now plug the provided USB cable, one end in the skID port and the other one in your laptop USB port. You will feel and hear the reader vibrating and you will see the orange LED turning on. This means that the reader is charging. Now we must enter in the skID configuration mode. It is important that the provided USB cable is both plugged in the skID and in our PC. Otherwise, this action cannot be performed. Looking at the skID front panel, the button on the right is the power button. The other one is the trigger button. Now press and hold in sequence the power button and the trigger button until you feel a vibration. Then release them. You will hear 3 beeps and you will see the green LED turning on. If you fail, shut down the reader and repeat. To know which COM port is created, open the Device Manager on your PC and search for COM ports and LPT and open the drop-down menu. In this case, we have the serial COM14. Now run the configuration tool. Click on File, Connect, and the system detects the COM port. If you have more than one device, you will see it in the drop-down menu. In this case, we have only one device connected. So, click on the Connect button. The skID default profile is easy to read. To change it, click on the drop-down menu and select the HID option. And click on the Save button. Note that as soon as you select the HID profile, some fields become available. For example, you can set up the way the EPC code of the tag is displayed. Now I want to display the prefix CAEN and the suffix RFID for each tag that I will read. You can see on the screen a full list of the commands you can set up. Click on the Save button. Now unplug the USB cable from the skID and turn it on again. Please note that when the reader is connected via Bluetooth, the blue LED is turning on. Now open an Excel sheet or a text editor. I will open the Excel sheet. I have here a coil with some UHF RFID tags that I'm going to read. Press the trigger button to start reading, and as we can see on the Excel sheet, the EPC code have the prefix and the suffix we set up before. Please note that HID profile allows the communication via Bluetooth only, so if you do not know how to connect the skID to your PC or to your smartphone via Bluetooth, watch the video in the description. That's it for this video. If you have any question, feel free to contact us or leave a comment. A greeting from the CAEN RFID team.